Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0571 indicates a malfunction in the brake pedal position switch circuit of the Honda CR-V 2023 and later models. This error code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an inconsistency in the brake pedal position signal, which can occur under specific driving conditions. The brake pedal position switch is responsible for signaling to the PCM whether the brake pedal is depressed or released. Located near the top of the brake pedal assembly, it plays a crucial role in ensuring that relevant safety features, such as brake lights and transmission interlock systems, operate correctly. If this switch fails, or if there are issues in its circuit, the PCM will log DTC P0571, indicating that diagnostic checks are necessary to identify the root cause of the problem. DTC P0571 signifies that the brake pedal position signal does not align properly with the brake pedal operation. A key component involved in this error is the brake pedal position switch, which detects the position of the brake pedal and transmits that information to the PCM. If the switch is malfunctioning, or if there is a circuit issue, this will trigger the DTC. The switch itself is typically located at the top of the brake pedal assembly, making it susceptible to wear and misalignment. The PCM relies on this signal to manage crucial functions, including activating brake lights and enabling the engine to start when the brake pedal is pressed. Failure in the switch can lead to operational inconsistencies, prompting the need for troubleshooting. The possible causes of DTC P0571 can be categorized into three main areas: the brake pedal position switch, wiring issues, and potential PCM malfunctions. The brake pedal position switch itself may be defective or misaligned, preventing accurate signal transmission to the PCM. Next, wiring issues such as open circuits or shorts could disrupt the signal path, leading to inconsistent readings. Lastly, if both the switch and wiring are confirmed to be functioning correctly, a failure within the PCM may be suspected, indicating that further inspection or replacement might be required. Understanding these potential causes is vital in directing troubleshooting efforts effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC P0571 typically include malfunctioning brake lights, erratic vehicle behavior, and the storage of the error code itself. One of the most immediate symptoms observable by the driver is the brake lights either not functioning, remaining on, or flickering. This can lead to safety concerns, as other drivers may be unaware the vehicle is stopping. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit inconsistent behavior, such as difficulty in shifting gears or failure of engine start when the brake pedal is pressed. If the PCM detects an anomaly, it will store the DTC, alerting the driver or technician to investigate further. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely repairs and ensuring ongoing vehicle safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0571 involves turning the vehicle ignition to the on mode. Following this, it's essential to confirm the Honda Diagnostic System HDS brake switch value while pressing and releasing the brake pedal. The HDS will display real-time data regarding the brake switch's function. If the value does not change as the brake pedal is pressed and released, this indicates that a failure has occurred and is likely duplicated in the system. This step is critical for diagnosing whether the issue lies with the switch itself or if additional electrical problems exist in the circuit. In this step, the technician will inspect the +B stop circuit and the stop SW and ground GND circuits to identify any abnormalities. To perform the inspection, the brake pedal position switch connector 8P must be disconnected first. Then, while ensuring the ignition is in the on position, the technician will check for proper battery voltage levels and continuity through the circuits. Normal conditions dictate that there should be about 12-volt battery voltage for these checks. If any discrepancies arise during this inspection, it could indicate potential issues in the circuit, requiring targeted repairs or replacements. This step emphasizes the need to ensure the brake pedal position switch is installed correctly. Incorrect installation can lead to inaccurate signal transmission to the PCM, prompting the error code. After confirming the switch is correctly positioned, it is crucial to perform a comprehensive inspection of the brake pedal position switch itself. This inspection will determine if the switch is functioning correctly and reliably transmits its signal as the brake pedal is applied and released. If any faults are detected in the switch's operation, replacement will likely be necessary to resolve the DTC P0571 issue effectively. The final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM, after other components have been verified as functioning correctly. The PCM is a critical electronic component that manages various functions in the vehicle, including interpreting signals from the brake pedal position switch. If all previous inspections confirm normal operation, yet the error persists, it may be a sign of a malfunctioning PCM. This step is important to isolate the cause of the DTC P0571 fault, as rectifying a faulty PCM often requires specialized equipment or replacement. After completing repairs, it is essential to verify that the DTC P0571 has been resolved. This involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the error code from the vehicle's memory. Following this, a road test should be conducted to ensure proper vehicle performance and that the brake pedal position switch is functioning correctly. Monitoring the brake light operation and ensuring the vehicle behaves normally during the test will confirm that repairs were successful. If the DTC reappears, further investigation may be required to address any underlying issues. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0571, it is advisable to implement a routine maintenance schedule focusing on the brake system. Regular inspections of the brake pedal position switch can help identify potential issues before they lead to DTCs. Along with switch checks, examining the wiring connections for wear and corrosion is essential, as these factors can lead to electrical failures. Additionally, it's beneficial to confirm that the switch is correctly installed, as misalignment can be a common issue. By prioritizing these preventive measures, you can enhance the longevity and reliability of the brake system, ensuring optimal vehicle function. In summary, DTC P0571 indicates a malfunction in the brake pedal position switch circuit, necessitating thorough troubleshooting. Key components, such as the brake pedal position switch, related wiring, and the powertrain control module (PCM), must be examined carefully. Symptoms of this error can manifest as malfunctioning brake lights and inconsistent vehicle behavior, so timely identification is crucial for safety. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps can effectively pinpoint the source of the issue, whether it's a simple switch failure or a more complex PCM problem. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance practices can help mitigate the risk of encountering this error code in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.